County, East Central Tazewell County, Southeastern Woodford County, until 5:30 a.m. At 4:22 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mackinac and moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Bloomington, Stanford, Danvers, Carlock, Normal, El Paso, Hudson, Towanda, Grizzly, Lexington, Cooksville, Chinook, Colfax, Cockerville, Shirley, Evergreen Lake, Tampa, Bloomington Airport, Lake Bloomington and Toder. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 15. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 155 and 187. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 106 and 138.
Between mile markers 106 and 138. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.